Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaac Frank here, and thank you for tuning in. So today I want to show you guys how to create a random password generator using Python in just a few lines of code. All you have to do is open up your favorite IDE, and we'll quickly import just two modules. We'll import the string module, and we will import the choice. We import choice from random. So the string module gives us our alphabet, the characters, the digits, and stuff like that. Then the choice is to choose randomly from this array which our string gives to us. And then we need to declare a variable. Let's call it the vocab, which will be the string. Quickly we can look at the string documentation here. This is lowercase and uppercase constants, which is the alphabets. So we need this. I'll copy this. The vocab, we need this, and we'll concatenate it with, we need also the digits, which is here. So we'll take the digits also. Also we need punctuation marks and stuff like that, which is what's here. We'll take this too. So now we have our vocab, our words to pick, our characters to pick from, and next we have to do, let us say, password. This will be the generated password and should equal So we're generating the password based on length. We could add the length in here. The length will be, let's give it a default value of 10. The length should be 10, and in the range of length. Next step, let's try printing out our password, generated password, and run this code. As you can see, we have a working random generator. So this line of code is basically the same thing as using a for loop. Let me show you. It's using a for loop. Let me comment this quickly. So as you can see, this is basically the same thing as using it this way, but I made it in a line of code, so I won't have to write a for loop and also this. So we are iterating through 0 to the number of arguments within the number of length, which we put here, and keep selecting a random character. So this is it on how to create a random password with Python. But also this code can be extended. You could add some flags. You can make this, I think I will just make this a function, then it takes the length. Just pass this over here, and we could add some flags. Also, this code can be extended more. If you go to the string documentation, you can see they have the uppercase and the lowercase. The letters is the combination of these two, but you might just want to work with the uppercase or just the lowercase. So stuff like that, you could extend this code. You could add some flags that you can use to know how many, the amount of uppercase and the amount of lowercase the user actually needs. So this is it, a video on how to create a random password generator with Python. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and if you have any ideas of future videos you might like to see on this channel, please leave it in the comment section below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.